Hello everyone! Magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. Once again, this is your friendship, Sherman Fernandez, and of course, a welcome back. Alright mga friendship, as we can see, baha po, and of course, hindi po yan hadlang bilang isang OFW dahil tuloy lamang po ang laban. And of course, for today's video mga friendship, ayan, naggagayak po tayo. Dahil for today's video mga friendship, tayo ay mag-MC na isang graduating students from Kaagapay Group of Caregivers. Kaya naman this time, as we can see, everyone is busy. Kaya naman habang hinihintay ang oras ng ating mga friendship, ayan, as we can see, sila po ay busy at lunchtime po nila for today's video. Alright, at this time mga friendship, katatapos lang po ng break time ng ating mga trainee na group of caregivers dito sa Sabah. Kaya naman this time mga friendship, as we can see, kanya-kanya silang balik ng kanilang mga upuan. Kaya naman this time mga friendship, why is it important to learn about caregiving? Caregiver training is important because it ensures caregivers have the necessary skills to provide safe, effective, and compassionate care.
Sabi naman ng doctor is usual week. Okay? Itong week na to, didip dun sa usual solution. Okay? Pasok, 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 pasok. Hanggang may pasok na natin.
Masakit na yun.
Okay?
Oh,
ipapack natin. For example, ito yung malinis ha. Yan. Pack. Pagyan na natin. Okay?
Alright, at this time mga friendship, why do we need to study about caregiving? We need to study about caregiving because it prepares by learning about the fundamental issues and practical concerns about surroundings caregiving. And of course mga friendship, aside from that, caregiver training is a key part of improving the level of care for vulnerable people. It gives caregivers the skills, information, and confidence they need. Caregiver training is also important because it ensures caregivers have the necessary skills to provide safe, effective, and compassionate care. People often choose to study caregiving because they want to make a positive impact on others' lives by providing support and assistance to those who need it, particularly the elderly or people with disabilities, through tasks like personal care, meal preparation, and companionship, ultimately contributing to their well-being and independence. Alright, at this time mga friendship, once again, this is your friendship, Sherman Fernandez. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. God bless everyone, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!